Oh, hello. Why didn't I do that sooner? Fucking shut up, man. Fucking dogs, man. Where's some my pair? Fucking hell. Welcome to another ASMR episode. In this episode, I'm gonna talk like a complete nutter twat. And hopefully, you won't think I'm a complete and utter twat. I'm only kidding, guys. I ain't gonna talk like that for ages, but yeah, there's my head in. Have you seen those videos? Cue the video. It's fucking mental, isn't it? I don't know how people do it. Like, it's just essentially, come on kitty, get off the road. Oh, good little kitten. I hope it's going to be alright now. I hope that cat was alright. Seemed a bit startled when I was coming towards it. I'm paranoid now. I love animals. I prefer dogs, but yeah, I wouldn't wish anything upon any, like, I wouldn't wish harm upon any animal, to be fair. Lex Moto Viper there. Anyway, I forgot to mention that I'd like to correct what I said about the brakes. It is CBS. So yeah, please correct me if I'm wrong. But the front, so as I mentioned in my last video, when I get a chance I'll take you around Risca and Newport area and show you some sights that are worth showing. Obviously I'm not going to show you the pretty shitty city, because everyone has a fucking city. I'm so happy that I can get my vlogging sorted now. I think what I'm going to do is, now that I've tested this helmet out, I'm going to test my MT Thunder helmet and go from there and see how I get on. Go on, I'll give you a chance. You won't put your lights on, but hopefully I'll be able to transition a jump on the bike scene soon, but I gotta plan that. So I'm just gonna have a bit of fun with the camera, try and do some effects that aren't actually effects. Does that make sense? That thing was old. Relic. Fucking hell. 71. That's not bad. It is fairly windy today. I'll tell you what though, I am quite liking the sports tourer style. Like, everything's upright, it's comfortable. I'm debating a Zontes 310 sports tourer thing. I'm not sure yet, we'll see how it goes. I am debating a sports tourer though, so, you know. Gonna pick a lane or what? Okay, I hope you liked the video. If you did, click that like button, throw a comment down below. I appreciate all the support that you guys give, and I hope to see you in the next one. Hit that subscribe button, bitches. Love you.